Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram forwarded messages and hide features. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap and hold on any message and simply go ahead and click on the forward tab, which will simply go ahead and let you choose who you want to simply go ahead and forward to. You can simply go ahead and click on send and it is going to be forwarded. It is as simple as that. Now, in order to go ahead and whenever you're forwarding, one option that we most of the time miss is going to be hide sender name tab. You can simply go ahead and enable this setting in order to go ahead and not show that it was actually forwarded. So it is as simple as that. Keep in mind you'll need to go ahead and have a premium for this, but that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.